Hello. In this short video, I will introduce you to the CSTools package, as well as the videos that you will be able to watch in this demo session. However, before I do, let me acknowledge the contribution of the people who've helped put this demo session together. People in Isaac CNR Italy, RMI Belgium, IMET in Spain, and BSc in Spain. CSTools, which stands for Climate Service Tool, is an R package that is being developed in the context of the ERA4CS project MEDSCOPE by 6 different European institutions: CMCC and CNR in Italy, Météo France in France, RMI in Belgium, and IMET and BSc in Spain. The package contains currently 35 functions, but it should contain well above 40 functions upon completion. It's been available on CRAN, which is the R repository, since about a year now. It had the second release last fall, the third release a couple of months ago, and we plan to have the next release in just a couple of months. Finally, it is licensed under Apache 2.0, which is a very permissive license, provided that the people who use it acknowledge its authors. So to develop this package, we didn't just put together a bunch of functions that had been developed at different institutions, but we created guidelines that each partner had to follow in order to develop their tools. So for this, we made use of a version control system. So we use Git and GitLab that allow us to develop functions independently and merge them with the master branch when they were ready, and also allowed us to ensure compatibility between the different developments and the different institutions. We also put together a common procedure to be followed by everyone to decide which function should go in the package and which one shouldn't, and how they should be defined. We also put together some documentation and development policy that people had to follow. They explained the workflow that had to be followed to integrate the different tools in the package and the roles of the different people involved in the development, whether it be the developer, the developers, the coordinators, well, there's only one coordinator, and the reviewers. So each function is tested by an independent reviewer before being integrated in the package. This ensured that the function follows the guideline of the package on top of working properly. So you can see here on the right the role of each of the people involved in the development of the package. CSTools contains a range of functions that will allow you to extract information from your climate simulation. It contains some basic functions to load and save your data, some functions that allow you to correct your forecast, some functions to do some downscalings, and some functions that allow you to evaluate the scale of your forecasts. It also includes some plotting function to plot your data. In this short series of videos, we aim to show you how you can use CSTools for a variety of purposes. You will find a video that will explain how to install CSTools and will explain a little bit about R. You will have a video which will teach you how to load data so that you can use them in the CSTools framework. We also have a video which will help you identify which is the best forecasting system for your region at a given time of year. We also show you how you can use CSTools to calibrate your forecasts. We also show you how you can make a probabilistic forecast using a real-time example for the summer 2020. We also have a video showing you how you can downscale hindcasts to feed them in other model application. We have a video which shows you how you can use how your forecast scale can be improved using NAO forecast And finally, we have a video where we show you how you can create different forecast scenarios. We hope you find this useful and enjoy.